nice water.
It's car sound.
No. It's why when I sing this song. Sing a song, yes.
No car. Is there any car?
No. The Henry makes sing a song.
How?
No. Henry makes sing a song.
What song?
In the circus.
The circus.
Yeah,
Do you like circus?
I like it. Like sneezes, right?
What animals in the circus?
Like this, we sing a song.
Just a song.
Like sneezes, right?
Right.
Hello, I'm Shimmer, and this is my bunny shine. And today we can have a song like that, and I don't know what that.
What's your name?
Ayomina Bila Putli.
Good. What do you like?
Shimmer cars with
Shimmer-
the pink lights.
Okay. Do you like mermaid?
Yes, I like mermaid and the car shimmers too. And the Barbie house too.
Barbie house. Do you like play?
Yeah, like and the doll too.
The dolls?
Yeah. I wanna play this
Do you?
and the Paw Patrol Sky and the helicopters.
I see. Do you have dolls?
No, I don't have it.
You don't have it?
Yeah, I have it. The doll elephant. Doll elephant so go like this.
Do you like mermaid?
Yeah, mermaids like it, like to swim.
Swim where?
Well, upside down. That was funny.
It was funny. That mermaid has a nail, tail.
Yeah, nail and tail.
I see.
The tails are wiggles like and the waters.
You know what?
And the sand are like I don't know.
What mermaid do you like?
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
I see.